Hello students, welcome back. Let's solve the exercise question number 13 of chapter 12 electricity from class 10 NCERT science textbook. And the question reads, a hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the current in the three cases? Alright, let's understand this question first through a circuit diagram. So now these resistance coils can be connected in three different ways. Either we can connect them separately, that is either one of them can be connected separately or both of them can be connected in series. This is 24, this is 24, or else we can connect both of them in parallel. So this is the way in which they can be connected inside the oven. Now each of these three separate ways will result in the conduction of a different value of current in the circuit, because the overall value of resistance changes if we connect them in different ways. So if we connect either of them or both of them in series or both of them in parallel, that will result in the conduction of a different value of current in the circuit. So now we are asked to find out that what will be the value of current in each of these three cases. So let's find out. In case number 1, we will use the coil separately. So the resistance of the coil is 24 ohm, it's given. The potential difference given here is 220 volt. So let's find out the current that will flow if only one of them is connected in the oven. So I is equal to V by R from Ohm's law. So the potential difference given here is 220 volt by the resistance is 24. So it is 55 by 6, which is 9.2. So the current value in the circuit when they are used separately is 9.2 ampere. So this is your first value, I1. Now in case number 2, when both of them are connected in series. So in series, the total resistance R is given by R1 plus R2, that is 24 plus 24, because we are connecting both the resistors in series. So it is 48 ohm. Now let's find out the current in the series. So I2 will be V by R2, that is V is 220 by the resistance we got here is 48, which is 55 by 12, that is 4.6. So I2 is 4.6 ampere. So when the resistance coils A and B are connected in series, the current that flows through the circuit is 4.6 ampere. Now let's come to case number 3. So in the third case, the resistors are connected in parallel. So for the parallel circuit, we write here 1 by R3 is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, which is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24, that's 2 by 24, or 1 by 12. So R3 is 12 ohm. So the resistance value we got here is 12 ohm. Now the current value I3 will be V by R3, that is 220 by 12. So it is 55 by 3, that is 18.3 ampere. So the value of I3 is 18.3 ampere. So these are the three values of current which flows in the circuit when the resistance coil A and B are connected in three different ways. So in this case we see that the maximum current flows when the resistance coils are connected in parallel. So this results in the maximum current flow, and when they are connected in series, we see that the current flow is minimum. It is because when the resistances are connected in parallel, the overall resistance of the circuit decreases, which results in the increase in current. But when the resistances are connected in series, the overall resistance of the circuit increases and therefore the current decreases. So these are the values of the current in these three cases. So I hope you have understood the solution to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, request you to subscribe it. So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.